everyone. My name is Max and I'm a member of the SPS Society of Physics Students chapter here at MSUM, and today we're going to be looking at non-Newtonian fluid. So I'm going to start here with a mixture of cornstarch and water. Add a little water to this. That should just about do it. Maybe a little more. And what do I mix here? So non-Newtonian fluid is fluid where, depending on the amount of force and pressure that's put on it, it will display different properties. So it will change between being a liquid and being a solid. So what's going to happen here is that as the force and the pressure increases on it, the particles get pushed closer together and they start to exhibit friction. Now we're going to take a look at a few properties of the non-Newtonian fluid. So with this suspension we have here of the cornstarch and water, you'll notice that if I kind of put my hand in and kind of grab it gently, very gently, it's sort of a liquid fluid. It's kind of thick, but it's still definitely a fluid. Now if I kind of grab roughly at this, it becomes almost a solid. If I really grab it and I squeeze it, well, cornstarch chunk. Likewise, if I kind of stir this around really gently, it's still a fluid. You can see here, as soon as I start going and exerting more pressure on it, it becomes very, very viscous, very solid, and quite difficult to move around. Also, you can see here, if I want to punch it, it will become very hard very quickly. Believe it or not, that was surprisingly hard to do. Even though now that I'm not doing anything, it drips off the hand again. So here we have steel balls, and you'll see if I just kind of chuck one of these right into the fluid, it immediately hits the fluid at high rate, and it takes a while to sink to the bottom because the cornstarch kind of will wrap around it and solidify again. Takes a little bit to sink. That's another one. And this is called Oobleck. We call it Oobleck because of a Dr. Seuss book, which you may or may not be familiar with, but it was a pretty popular story in its time. So now we're going to take a look at how high and low frequencies affect Oobleck with cornstarch suspension. And in general, the lower the frequencies go, the looser and more liquefied the solution will be. At a higher frequency, it will once again thicken up and become a solid. Thank you for watching our video on non-Newtonian fluid. Hope you enjoyed it. So please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and we will see you at our next Physics Friday. Thanks.